Today, we will talk about how to start a t-shirt business from home with no money. Let's have a look at the details. T-shirts are a staple part of wardrobes across the globe. Furthermore, the global market for the custom t-shirt printing industry is expected to cross $10 billion by 2025. Clever entrepreneurs, like yourself, have identified the popularity of this product and have started thinking about beginning their own t-shirt businesses. Starting an online t-shirt business is a popular choice for both beginner and veteran e-commerce entrepreneurs. As an e-commerce store, t-shirts are cheap to source, have universal appeal, and are relatively simple to customize. Step 1. Find a niche for your t-shirt business. As an e-commerce entrepreneur who is looking to start a successful online t-shirt business, it may be useful to find a niche for your store. If you create a t-shirt store that is truly unique either in terms of brand image or the products that are available, your chances for success will be considerably higher. Step 2. Source quality material and t-shirt printing options. The next step is finding suppliers. Quality is paramount to your brand and its success, so it's important to educate yourself and choose your blank shirts wisely. Step 3. Create your own t-shirt designs. Next is to come up with the designs. Find the best-selling designs in niches like Zazzle, Redbubble, Snorgtees, Kickstarter t-shirt campaigns for ideas and designs. Hire a suitable graphic designer to help you. Join designer communities to find out lots of unique talent. Buy t-shirt designs from online marketplace. Step 4. Mock up your t-shirts. Mock-ups are helpful so your customers can see what the final design will look like printed on a shirt. Step 5. Validate your designs. Once you've assembled a few solid design ideas for your online t-shirt business, you'll need to seek validation from others. You may think that the designs that you've come up with are ready for printing, but others may point out some vital improvements that will help your products in the long run. Step 6. Set a price. Another important aspect of starting a t-shirt business is determining the pricing of your products. You'll need to factor in your purchase price plus the cost you incur in printing the designs. Step 7. Set up your online store. Now that you have your t-shirt designs in hand, have made your mock-ups, and validated your idea, it's time to build your store. There's no need to purchase or hold any inventory up front, making it a great way to get started. Once your store is set up, you'll be ready to start selling t-shirts online. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.